Big setback confirmed. The Valencia match on September 14th will not be played at Camp Nou. We all saw this coming, but it's now official. The good news? The real focus is the Champions League home opener on October 1st. That's the deadline the whole project is racing toward. So, how close are they? Let's break down what changed this week. This weekend, Barca won't just be away from Camp Nou, they'll actually be making La Liga history. With Montjuic unavailable because of a Post Malone concert and Camp Nou not ready, the Valencia game is officially moving to Estadi Johan Cruyff. That stadium holds just 6,000 fans, making it the lowest capacity ground to host a La Liga match in the modern era. It's a strange twist, but this weekend, Johan Cruyff Stadium will be packed and making history. At the corner zone, where things look very different from just 2 weeks ago, access doors are now in place, and New Jersey barriers clearly mark off the entrances. Workers are still using temporary stairs here, but the big story is the diamond structure. Almost all the panels are installed, and after a slow start, progress has sped up. Reinforcement steel should start going in very soon. The third cantilever in this corner is also finished, with net supports already visible. Over at Gol Norte, a truck has unloaded fresh materials, formwork panels, cement bags, and rock wool. That means plenty of work ahead. Several pillars are now concreted at the base, while scaffolding is going up for the upper sections. The VIP floor here has been poured and even cleaned, ready for finishing touches. Some brackets have their black primer, but others are still waiting for white anti-rust paint. Safety railings remain temporary, sparking debate over whether they'll be permanent or swapped later. The south goal section has welcomed some massive new beams and structural pieces, though it's not yet clear where they'll be placed. Most of the upper pillars are fully concreted, with only minor finishing at the top. Scaffolding is slowly coming down as areas are completed. Workers have also been spotted welding around the cantilever, and while the louver supports are visible, actual installation of the stadium's sunshade slats hasn't kicked off yet. That's one of the most anticipated steps still ahead. Now to the lateral corner and parking zone, where cranes are lowering formwork panels and reinforcement bars non-stop. 5 second-level pillars are already concreted, with more on the way. The first parking level is practically finished, just a tiny gap remains. By Friday, this slab should be completely sealed. Supports for the llamas are also in place here, and unlike last year's test run, this time they'll stay for good. Honeycomb panels are spreading across the side area, and diagonal beams are locked in. So here's where we stand. September 14th is officially off the table, but all eyes are on October 1st for the Champions League opener. Progress is everywhere. Corner diamonds nearly complete, pillars and slabs sealed, VIP floors taking shape, and the first level of parking basically done. The next big milestones: reinforcements in the diamond, installation of turnstiles, and the long-awaited llamas. Every day matters now, and the countdown is on. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like and subscribe to GOAT Stadiums. Don't miss next week's visuals. Things are about to speed up.